Yeah, I'm Zach Baker, so I work for Trade Sales and I'm a key account manager. So what we have here today is a 10-foot custom tooling container that we have designed for a shutdown maintenance contractor that does a lot of work up in Pilbara region. So the particular scope of works for this project is we've got the 3 standard double 10 amp GPOs along the workbench. We've also got the certified electrical box suited for mine sites. We have what we call a plug and play inlet on the outside of the unit, so this can be transferred, easy connected up to 3-phase power. We've also got LED lighting inside and outside the container, so this can be used for daytime and also night shifts as well. The reason we went with a 10-foot container is a lot easier to manoeuvre from different projects. And also we've left the space open in the middle of the container for storing other tooling equipment before mobilising a shutdown project. So this is a custom workbench. Originally the design we had was the bench would go the full span of the left side on the container, but we were able to modify the workbench to suit the sizing the contractor need, which allowed for more space on the left side wall of the container. The Trade Sales completed all the fabrication on this unit and also the electrical work, all certified to mine-spec.